Welcome to our tutorial on how to quickly react to a message in a channel on Telegram using your PC with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open Telegram on your PC by launching the application and logging into your account. Next, locate the specific message in the channel that you want to react to within the conversation thread. Hover your cursor over the message you wish to react to. This action will prompt a set of reaction options to appear. Click on the red heart icon that appears next to the message to quickly react to it. This gesture allows you to express your feelings or acknowledgement towards the message in an efficient manner. By following these steps, you can easily interact with messages in channels on Telegram and engage with the content in a more expressive way. Utilize this feature on your PC to efficiently communicate your reactions to messages and stay engaged with the content shared in channels. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to quick react to a message in a channel on Telegram using your PC.